Hey everyone, in today's video I'm breaking down Webflow's pricing to help you choose the right plan for your needs. Let's get started. Webflow offers two main types of plans, site plans and account plans. Site plans are per site and are necessary to connect a custom domain and unlock hosting features. You have the basic plan, which is ideal for simple sites without a CMS. You have CMS plan, which are great for blogs and content-driven sites with up to 2,000 CMS items. And then you have the business plan for higher traffic sites needed up to 10,000 CMS items. Then you have the enterprise plan for custom pricing for large organizations. Then you have the e-commerce plans, which are also available if you want to run an online store. The standard is for new businesses with up to 50,000 annual sales. Then you have the Plus plan for growth businesses with up to 200,000 annual sales. And then the Advanced for established businesses with higher sale volumes. Account plans are tied to your Webflow account. The Starter, which is free, allows 2 unhosted projects. The Lite version gives you up to 10 projects and code export. And the Pro plan is unlimited projects, white labeling, and more. So if you're working with a team, consider team plans which allow collaborative editing. Remember, you can start with the free starter plan to test out Webflow's features. And that's a quick overview of Webflow's pricing. If this video helped you understand the plans better, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.